Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this angel crown. When making this crown, I was trying to achieve the look of the ancient biblical paintings, much like the Renaissance had done with a gold ring around the angel's head. To make this crown, I bought a cheap hairband from Walmart as well as barbecue skewers. You'll also need hot glue and a tool to measure length with. After cutting the skewers to size, I'm going to use hot glue to attach the barbecue skewers to the top of the hairband. You can use scissors or, better yet, wire snips. Using a measuring tape, I started my first skewer at a specific length, and every other skewer I cut after that was a quarter of an inch shorter than the last, so it created a laddering effect as the crown went on. After you are finished gluing on all of the skewers, you can use whatever paint you like to give it a finishing touch. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.